We're in the middle of a massive thunderstorm. It's not even raining that hard, but it's definitely thundering really bad. So I'm gonna see if I can get any. It's so cute. My cousins have grown so much that I don't recognize them. Oh, there's the rain. You hear it? Thunderstorm. Let's see. I wanted to see if it would thunder again, because it was really cool the first time. You can't see it, but it's there. But it smells nice. That's nice. We'll see. I'll try and catch thunder if it does it again. Thundered so hard that it literally shook the frame of the apartment. I'm not even kidding you right now. That is insane. I don't remember the last time it thundered that hard. Or ever. It's actually a bit frightening. I was luckily raised to not be afraid of thunderstorms. I think they're amazing. But, like, this is insane. Good morning. So as I was brushing my teeth this morning, so I have water in my sleeve. As I was brushing my teeth this morning, I was looking at my microwave because while I was staying at Mal's house, she said that I thought she said that her microwave doubles as an oven, and then I realized she was talking about her toaster oven. But as I was looking at my microwave this morning, it basically says microwave, toaster, oven. This is why you should always explore everything. But this might mean that I have an oven. So I'm definitely gonna test that out. And look, it even says sponge cake, which I think I'd seen this before. This is sponge cake. And I just kind of ignored it because I really wasn't convinced that it would really mean that. I don't know. But this could be really exciting. I will let you know. I'm pretty excited. I have to go to class now. I'm not excited for that. Just kidding, school is great. Hello, I am back from a day of school. There's Tuesday, Thursday. What's today? Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday, yay! And I'm gonna make cookies in my newfound potential oven because I can, and to try it out. So, I'm going to make triple chocolate Oreo cookies, and they're gonna be really delicious. So I've got, I don't know what this is. I think it must just be a multi-type milk. We're gonna try it. We'll see how that goes in. Milk chocolate, I mean white chocolate, dark chocolate. This is really dark, 86%. Like that's crazy dark, which is actually really good for you. And Oreos. I'm gonna crush up the Oreos and put them in there and just kind of go with a normal like Nestle chocolate chip cookie dough recipe. And then I've gotten, yeah, I'll show them to you. After I drop them on the ground. Because that's just the way today is going. Hang on a second. I also got something to keep it all in. Lovely. And these little like cute little cups that have I don't know if you can tell, they have, sorry, let me just manhandle this. They have little sunshinies on them. And these will just be nice like free-forming ones that I can make. And like, I don't really know how this thing works and don't want to blow it up by putting on, by putting metal in there, if that's gonna make it explode. I don't really know. But I'm gonna try it out and see if I can figure it out. And I'll let you know how it goes. I have to share this with you because my mind is blown right now. Also, I'm sorry about the mess on my table. Okay, so turn it off. I press this button that says oven, right? I turn it on. And then it says, it has this little marker that says Celsius. So I press the up button and Celsius numbers start appearing. And I can change it to different degrees, only by 10, which is fine. And then I just turn it off here. I think my mind is blown. Here are my 3 pieces, the chocolate and Oreos, the egg and coconut milk, and then the dry ingredients. I'm excited. Look at, this is my recipe. There we go. Also, look at that. That is a microwave that is heating up to be used as an oven. Can you even, look at that. Look at that. It's incredible. I want to buy it. At this size, which should probably be classified as like massive. Those are probably the size of like 2.5 regular cookies. They just fit inside their little tins. So now I'm gonna put them in 4 at a time into my fancy little oven. There my little beauties are, you can't see. And it is currently 9:30. So I'll check those in like 10 minutes. I don't know, it only has top heat. We'll see. If those don't come out, I'll just eat the cookie dough. I just looked in and my oven had appeared to have gone off. My oven, whatever you want to call it. So I think you have to turn it on every time you open, I think when you open the door, like the microwave, it turns off. So note to self, make sure the oven's actually on. Here, these just came out. They were in there for quite a bit because I kept forgetting about them and like I don't know, I was failing really hard at cooking them properly. But I think they look baked and quite yummy, so I'm gonna give this a taste. After it cools a bit, it's really hot. They're hot. I think it's pretty yummy. It tastes a bit different, a bit odd, like different. Not bad, not good. I mean, it is good, but because I put just coconut oil in it instead of butter, which gave it a bit of a coconutty and different kind of texture. But I think they're pretty yummy, so I'm really pleased and super excited to get to use this. I probably won't like, I'll still do cakes and things in my rice cooker just because I don't have like a cake tin. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked that that worked out. That's all really cool. So I'm just gonna eat this now and go to sleep. Thanks for watching. Good night.